Hello students, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to discuss chapter 2 science, class 10th, and we are here to discuss about acids, bases and salts. So let's start with what are acids, what are bases and what are salts, right? In our daily life, these are the chemicals and how will we differentiate these different kind of chemicals.
Of another day at my restaurant, and I'm gathering the freshest ingredients before I begin cooking.
Well, it's a
Oranges
kind
are
of
great to
whatever we eat, whatever we drink is has to be some kind of acid. It must be base or it must be a neutral one, right? Then how will we decide whether it is acidic, whether it is basic, or it's just neutral? As you can see, water is neutral, but orange is acidic. And how is that so? Because it has citric acid in that.
add tang to any dish.
Oranges are tangy because of the acid they contain. In fact, the word acid comes from the Latin word acidus, which means sour.
Sour, खट्टा है.
By the end of this lesson, you will be able to define an acid, define organic and inorganic acids, explain the physical and chemical properties of acids, explain how indicators help to identify acids, list the uses of acids.
So here we are going to discuss these points, whether any chemical, whether any thing you see, you observe, you eat is acidic or acidic. Maybe it is of organic or it is inorganic. When we say just organic, it must be having carbon. When we say inorganic, that means without carbon. For example, what is organic acid? Suppose CH3COOH. It is acidic acid. And what is acetic acid? You know it well. Acetic acid is nothing but that vinegar you eat in pickle, right? This is acetic acid. Right. Acetic acid is just a general name. The IUPAC name means International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. According to this organization, it has to be an international name. It has to be eth, oic acid, right? Then we will discuss it later. How will we just name any compound in international system? Let's stick with the acid and bases.
Any substance that releases hydrogen ions when dissolved in water is an acid. A hydrogen ion cannot exist on its own, so it combines with a water molecule to form a hydronium ion.
See, any substance when combined with water, it gives H plus ions. Correct? Hydrogen ion for its own, it cannot exist. There has to be some kind of bonding within there.
For example, hydrochloric acid when dissolved in water liberates a hydrogen ion and a chloride ion.
Very nice. Suppose this is water, and when we pour it HCl, right? Then HCl plus H2O, they combine to form H plus ion and Cl minus ion in water. They are just splitting their chemical combination into these two ions, H plus ion and Cl minus ion. H plus Cl minus, this plus and minus again, and this is water molecule. तो पानी में जैसे ही आप कोई एसिड डिसॉल्व करते हैं, उसको स्प्लिट हो जाना है H प्लस और Cl माइनस, दो अलग अलग आयन में. ध्यान देंगे, इसे दो डिफरेंट आयन में डिसॉल्व होना है उसे. करेक्ट. नेक्स्ट देखेंगे. और जब हम बेस की बात करेंगे तो वहाँ पर पानी में डिसॉल्व करने पर वो OH माइनस आयन में स्प्लिट
The
होगा,
hydrogen ion combines with water to form a hydronium ion.
राइट. और जो भी H प्लस आयन निकलेगा पानी के मॉलिक्यूल्स के साथ में क्या कर देगा, वो कंबाइन होके H3O प्लस आयन बना देता है. करेक्ट. दैट मीन्स आपका बना कॉम्बिनेशन में आपने HCl डिजोल्व किया पहले, HCl प्लस वाटर, वो स्प्लिट हो जाएगा H प्लस और Cl माइनस में. अब यही H प्लस आयन किट से मिक्स होगा पानी से, पानी के मॉलिक्यूल से, तो बना देगा H3O प्लस आयन. We'll discuss why it is called plus and why it is also called proton. Just a proton or hydrogen ion. Now question is for class 10th, why H plus ion is called proton? Why is that so? This is the question. Why is that so? It is why it is called proton. Just proton.
This
On food like curd, lemons,
See-
water liberates a hydrogen ion and a chloride ion. The hydrogen ion combines with water to form a hydronium ion.
H3O plus और Cl माइनस डिफरेंट है, अलग हो जाएगा.
This curd is too sour.
कर्ड.
It needs a little sugar.
कर्ड जो कि आप जिसे कर्ड बोल रहे हैं, जिसको आप दही बोलते हैं जनरल में, कर्ड कंटेन्स एसिड. एंड हाउ इज दैट सो? जस्ट चेक इट आउट.
Curd contains lactic acid, which gives it a sour taste.
लैक्टिक एसिड, इट इज एन ऑर्गेनिक
Acids
एसिड.
obtained from food like curd, lemons,
ऑरेंजेस, ऑरेंजेस.
raw mango, citrus fruits, and gooseberry are called organic.
See, when we call citrus food, that is, it has citric acid. Citrus means, citrus term, this is for citric acid. And all these have citric acid. Correct? Not in curd, but it is citrus. Citrus fruits are called. This is just this conversion of milk into lactic acid, that is different. But these fruits, these all have citrus. Means they have chemical citric acid.
Acids,
Organic means having carbon.
Hydrochloric
Inorganic
acid.
means without carbon.
sulfuric acid, and nitric acid are called inorganic or mineral acids.
And one more thing, inorganic acids are much more dangerous than organic acids. Inorganic acids are much more dangerous than organic because they just burn your skin. But see, organic acids we are using in as food, but not these three. Correct? हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड, सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड और नाइट्रिक एसिड, जैसे आप कह रहे हैं HCl, H2SO4 and HNO3, these all are very dangerous and hazardous acids. ऑर्गेनिक एसिड तो आप खा सकते हैं, बट इनऑर्गेनिक एसिड्स बहुत ही डेंजरस होते हैं. दे कॉज बर्न.
We already know that acids taste sour. Acids also have other physical properties. Acids turn blue litmus red. They also turn methyl orange red.
These are the indicators, blue litmus and
Acids
methyl
have a
orange.
corrosive action on the skin.
इनके एक्शंस हैं.
Sulfuric acid stains the skin black. Nitric acid stains the skin yellow. And
Note it down.
hydrochloric acid leaves an amber stain on the skin. Acids are good conductors of electricity. Let's try to prove this through an experiment. Pour 5 ml of hydrochloric acid into a beaker containing 10 ml of water. Suspend 2 carbon rods in the acid.
Note it down.
Connect the rods with an electrical wire in series along with a battery, a switch and a bulb.
It will glow.
Switch the setup on and see the bulb glow. This shows that acids are good conductors of electricity.
Make note of it. Acids are good
Mixing
conductor
an
for
acid with
electricity.
water reduces the concentration of hydronium ions of the acid per unit volume.
Now this term, you see the concentration, right? Concentration means what? How much amount, how much in water. कोई एसिड कॉन्सेंट्रेटेड है या नहीं, इसका कैसे मतलब हुआ? हमने बोला कि एक हमारे पास लिक्विड है और उस लिक्विड में 10 ml एसिड है और बाकी 90 ml वाटर है। एक हमारे पास कंटेनर है, एक हमारे पास बीकर है, उसमें 20 ml एसिड है और बाकी 80 ml वाटर है, करेक्ट? 10 ml एसिड यानी कि हम इसको क्या बोल सकते हैं? 10/100। 20 ml एसिड, इसको हम क्या बोल सकते हैं? 20/100। ऑफ कोर्स 20/100 मीन्स ये 20% का एसिड हुआ, ये ज़्यादा एसिडिक हुआ। 10/100 यानी कि 10% का एसिड हुआ, यानी कि ये कम एसिडिक हुआ। तो कॉन्सेंट्रेशन मीन्स दैट अमाउंट इन वाटर। जब भी हम कॉन्सेंट्रेशन बात करेंगे कि हाउ मच ऑफ पर्टिकुलर अमाउंट इज प्रेजेंट इन पर्टिकुलर अमाउंट ऑफ सब्सटेंस, तो कॉन्सेंट्रेशन का डिस्कशन भी हम लोग करने वाले हैं। सो जब भी हम बात करेंगे एसिड्स की, तो ये देखेंगे कॉन्सेंट्रेशन टर्म कितना है, क्योंकि हम लोग दो टर्म सीखने वाले हैं यहाँ पर। एक होगा टर्म डाइल्यूट, जब एसिड की क्वांटिटी कम हो, और एक है टर्म कॉन्सेंट्रेटेड। तो जो भी हम कोई रिएक्शन लिखते हैं तो वहाँ पे लिखा होता है, सपोज करें कॉन्क HCl मीन्स बहुत ही ज़्यादा एसिडिक कंटेंट है। कहीं लिखा होगा डाइल्यूट HCl मीन्स एसिडिक कंटेंट कम है HCl का, राइट? तो डाइल्यूट एंड कॉन्क, ये दो टर्म हमें बहुत इस्तेमाल करने को मिलेंगे।